Retrofitting, upgrading, and rebuilding play a crucial role in extending the life cycle of machines. Through tailor-made programs, it is possible to ensure high performance and compliance with the latest safety regulation over the long term. We can offer different range of upgrade options. Each customer can choose among various possibilities, including new functionalities and accessories. If you want to get our proposal, do not hesitate to contact us. We will be happy to support you and to meet your specific needs.